Good afternoon. Today you're going to get to see some of my handy yard work. We're going to trim my driveway with a cordless Craftsman yard trimmer that I bought in a combo pack along with a Craftsman cordless blower. So we'll be using, let me get my spectacles on here. It's the Craftsman model CMCK497P1, and it is a lightweight, medium weight, single line cord trimmer, and it has a cord advance from here from the handle, and also you have a low and a high power. The line advance is okay, it's not the greatest, but it's a lot easier than pounding it down on the ground to get the lines to advance. And then we'll use the blow it off yard in my blow off my driveway in my front yard with the Craftsman this model CMCBL730 cordless yard blower, and they all, this combo came with a 5 amp hour lithium battery, and it complements all the tools from Craftsman that use the V20 Max series of batteries. I'll show you how I do my yard. You notice it does have just a single thread line, so it's not quite as heavy duty as a dual line. hope you enjoyed watching me do my little bit of yard work today. My goal this summer is not to use any gas-powered tools other than my lawnmower, which I haven't replaced. Everything else, I have a battery power option for my tools, and we'll see how everything holds up. But I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope something good happens to you today. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.